What's going on, y'all? Captain Jody, Bayou Bandit Charters. Welcome back to the channel. Out here out of Bayou, Alabama, y'all, south of Coffee Island. Out here, intentions was to come out here and fish the shrimp boat reef. I see a lot of birds working the area. We're gonna get our popping cork, artificial shrimp, see what happens, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, guys, y'all see them birds working right there? We got birds working, y'all. We got birds working. We got birds working, y'all. Come on, baby. Come on. Uh-oh. Fish on. What we got, y'all? What we got? All right, we got a little trout. We got a little speckled trout. Let's see if we can... Calm down, boy. Let's see if we can find something bigger, y'all. I am using a Matrix TKO shrimp. Hadn't used it in a long time on this channel, but I really like this little shrimp. Using my new Hobo custom rod, my spinning setup, 7/6 medium action. Come on, give me a good fish now. Give me a good trout. Come on, take it. Take it. There we go. Head shake. We got another trout, y'all. He's a little guy. But it is every single cast, y'all. That's an old male. He croaking. That fish is pure hot, y'all. Pure hot. Boom, here we go. Ain't even moving it. Boom, cork under. Cork under. Fish on. Oh God, this is crazy. This is so much fun. I mean, how could it be any more fun? Oh, there's a whitey. Whitey in the box. Whitey in the box, y'all. Come on, give me another one. Give me another one. I may be late to my gigging charter tonight. Throw it out there. Oh, I actually had to pop it that time. Whoop. Fish on. Oh my God, this is so much fun. Boom. Oh. Calm down. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. See you, dude. Y'all sure are rough on my shrimp. Every cast, every single time. Is that a whitey? Nope, that's another speck. Insane trout bite, y'all. Absolutely insane. When you get under these birds, when you find them birds working them shrimp coming up to the top, It is absolutely incredible. The type of bites you can have. I got a wind knot out. I don't see my cork. Why? Because it's got another trout on it. Oh, another whitey. Another whitey in the box. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boom. If I had time, I would stop and super glue that hook in that bait, but I don't. Boom, right there by the boat. Boom, nothing. I ain't even got to move it. Another trout. Freaking crazy, y'all. Freaking crazy. I'm like a little kid out here, y'all. Oh, this is so much fun. I know none of these trout are keepers. None of these specks are keepers. But I'm having a blast out here, y'all. If you don't enjoy this, I swear something's wrong with you. There's my pliers. I'm pure wore out, y'all. All right, dude. Look at these birds. I'm hoping I will luck up and get me a keeper in this little school. But this is insane. Look at him. Oh my God. Oh, this is so much fun, y'all. Oh, that's a better trout. He's gonna be close. Let's measure him. 14. Ah. Every cast, y'all. Insane trout bite. No big ones. If y'all got kids, y'all, go out here in the bay. Get under some birds and catch y'all some trout for them kids. I'm a big kid. I've always been a big kid. I always will be a big kid. And I love doing this. Boom. Every cast. It feels like that may be a keeper, y'all. That may be my first keeper. He's fighting good. He may be a keeper. He gonna be close. Golly, y'all. He's 15, but he ain't close enough to me feel safe to keep him. Grow up a little, boy. Another one, y'all. Another trout. Insane, y'all. Crazy. Oh, white trout in the box. That's a sandwich. Absolutely crazy bite out here this afternoon. Every cast, y'all. All right, that's a better fish. I know I've said that 1,000 times, but this one's staying down, and he does feel a little better. I think he's gonna be like that other one. I think he's gonna be right at 15 inches. Croaking male. A little short, y'all. A little short. Bye-bye. Another one. I got. There we go. Oh my God. Really, y'all, I'm getting wore out. If we was in Louisiana, we'd had the quickest 25 Louisiana speckled trout limit you ever seen. This old bait's gnawed up, chewed up. You just lob it out there. Just lob it. Give it a pop. Right by the boat. Right by the boat. There we go. Oh, white trout, white trout, white trout in the box. White trout in the box. Another fish, another trout. Another whitey, another sandwich. All right, y'all, I'm sitting down. Those little rascals wore me out. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, y'all. If y'all looking for a rod, y'all check out Chris Guy Hobo Custom Rods. He does excellent work. He makes a beautiful rod, whatever length you want, whatever action you want, whatever style, color, anything you want, y'all. He can take care of y'all. The link will be in the description below. Real good guy. First time using that one. I think he got a little workout. I know I did. No keeper trout to speak of, y'all. Got some white trout, but had an absolute blast out here out of Bayou Battery, south of Coffee Island, out here close to the shrimp boat reef. My intentions was to come out here, fish the shrimp boat reef a little bit, and soon as I was getting out here close, I saw all these birds diving, y'all. A lot of action. I couldn't resist. I grabbed my old popping cork and went to work on them, y'all. I'm tired, I'm wore out. Oh, I got to get the boat back on the trailer and go to another location for my flounder gigging charter tonight, y'all. Thank y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you like this content, y'all, please give me a like, give my channel a subscribe. It helped me out a lot. I really do appreciate it. Thank y'all. See y'all on the next one.